Okay, so someone asked me, how did I increase my income? Honestly, there's just really one thing that I am sure really helped me increase my income from 14K to what it is now, is that I didn't stop learning. Like, I read every articles, I watch YouTube videos, I research about my field, my career, especially when I was just starting. Like, I really had a vision of what are the opportunities available to me and search for the skills that is needed to have to increase my, let's say, level of expertise. And once you didn't stop learning kasi, you will learn to bet on yourself. Like, talagang maniniwala ka na sa sarili mo na I can take on much greater responsibility because I know I can do it. And you will, once you have that confidence with yourself, you will be unstoppable. You will really start to aim for higher things. You will not be afraid to pitch yourself or to like present and find those opportunities that you know you deserve.